When heavy rain come, then recharge from the river to the groundwater, make contaminate sudden ice. The groundwater.
You think that the water from the Rhone River will come on the soil and...
No, not soil. From nature down to the groundwater.
Yeah, and go down and salinize down at that. Don't you think it's the opposite?
No.
There are also industries, lot of industries around this area.
Yes.
Due to industrial wastage, without amendment of industry, water goes in that area. That also causes this salinity.
Okay. And to come back to the question I asked concerning remediation.
This area is repairing area. Riverside area. So here the herbaceous plant and other plants which are abundant, and we can convert into a soil mass, which is the most common productive ecosystem. I think it's possible.
It's possible. Okay. I was just wondering because you've got very small areas. The surface is small. So in fact you have also to think about you've got patches of soils. Just very practically, you've got patches of soils and very small surfaces. So remediate specifically different types of soil in that case is not really feasible.
Integrated management, where is it possible that we can reclaim with chemical amendments like gypsum?
Yeah.
We should apply gypsum, and where is possible that with grasses or other herbaceous plants possible, it's convenient.
No, I understand that it is possible. I was just asking the question now in this situation. I mean, in theory, this is possible. I agree. But then, would it be feasible there? Does it make sense to do it there?
Most feasible.
It is feasible. But does it make sense to do it?
Economically, I think not feasible because small area, due to area, if large area, expenses reduces that compared to small area.
Okay.
C'est juste parce que c'est juste la diapositive. Just about this slide, how do you explain the effects on pH? Where are the protons in the reaction?